that away. No one else can move like you. No one's got your style. There, I know your secret. I can see it in your smile. But underneath, you got something I can't describe. No one else can move like you. No one's got your style. Yeah, I know your secret. I can see it in your smile. Shout it up, shout it up. Live it up, live it up. You got to take you higher. Live it up.
Modular Game Table is back on Kickstarter. First time we were here, we blew the doors off the place, and you may be asking, why does everyone love the modular table so much? It's very simple. It's a dedicated space for that thing you wish you had space for, whether that's your hobby or your kid's schoolwork or just whatever that is. Everyone has that thing that they wish they had space for. This table is the solution to that problem. I'm gonna break down 4 or 5 different points that is gonna be sort of a guide for you to join us on this Kickstarter. Number 1, we have an enormous number of accessories for the table. They all attach magnetically to the inside and outside of the table, and we have a video where we deep dive all of those accessories, which is linked to below. The second thing I want you to know about the Wyrmwood modular table is that they are American made completely. We have 2 workshops, one in Massachusetts, one in Pennsylvania, and there are no middlemen between us and our customers. That means when you back this Kickstarter, you are directly supporting the craftsmen of this company. We have a video that deep dives the entire construction process from raw lumber all the way to finished furniture that is linked to on the Kickstarter page. Let's talk about materials. 100% solid wood. We have 12 different wood options in a variety of price points and aesthetics to match your budget and your room. In this campaign, we're not dyeing or staining any of our woods. Meaning, when you order walnut, it means you're actually getting genuine walnut. If you're interested in some more resources where we deep dive the 12 different wood options, we have a video explaining that below. We have another video where we explain the durability of the finish and the construction, where we put the tables through a stress test that you should check out as well. After digesting all of this content, I'm assuming you're ready to back for a table. But you may not be totally familiar with the Kickstarter platform, and that's okay. We've got a video that goes over the entire customer journey that lays out how you go from a pledge to a finished table at your doorstep. Let's talk about price. Our standard 6-person dining room table with a topper comes in at $1,200. With our payment plans, that means you can have this table for $200 a month. And if you back our Kickstarter, you are also going to get a free set of cup holders. If you are interested in getting a gaming table, but you're not interested in backing this Kickstarter, you should join our mailing list. It will be available for sale on the website as soon as the Kickstarter ends. I want to thank the tens of thousands of backers that have supported our company throughout the years. We've literally built 10,000 of these tables over the last effing chairs. I'll call you right back.
On behalf of the backers, I want to say, answer that phone and tell everyone how they're going to create with the chairs.
So thank you for coming on this journey with us, wherever you are in this crazy world. Stay safe, be well, and game on. There's no way. So.